Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries in the microwave. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Gently wash them under cool water, then carefully pat each berry completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering properly. Next, prepare your workspace and gather your chocolate, about 8 ounces, which can be chips, chunks, or a chopped bar. Now, let's melt the chocolate using your microwave. Place about 8 ounces of your chosen chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it on 50% power for 30-second intervals. After each interval, remove the bowl and stir the chocolate thoroughly. Continue this process, stirring well between each 30-second burst until the chocolate is completely smooth and melted. This gradual approach prevents the chocolate from burning or seizing. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold a strawberry by its stem or the green leaves at the top. Dip the berry into the melted chocolate, twisting it gently to ensure an even coating. Lift the strawberry and allow any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. Place the dipped strawberry onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. If you're adding sprinkles or chopped nuts, do so immediately before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, it's time to let the chocolate set. Carefully transfer the parchment-lined baking sheet to your refrigerator. Allow the strawberries to chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm to the touch. Once set, you can store these delightful treats in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For the best taste and texture, enjoy your homemade chocolate-covered strawberries within 1 or 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.